I'm just gonna cleanse the space. Some for y'all. Welcome to episode 4 of Talk with Malkah Thursdays. As always, thank y'all so much for joining me again. And today I feel like it's important to talk about a crucial skincare topic with the season coming up that is upon us early, it seems, and that is winter and how to best combat dryness that we experience during this winter season. So first, let's talk about what's going on during winter that makes our skin so dry and the science of it all. As the temperature levels drop, the air becomes drier, and then also the humidity levels drop, which then causes our skin to start being stripped of moisture. We're also impacted by the cold winds, our lovely indoor heating, which impacts our skin's moisture levels as well and can lead to dryness and or irritation. The weather we experience in the winter has the capability of disrupting the skin's natural barrier and makes it more prone to moisture loss and sensitivity. So one of the best ways to prepare your skin for this winter season is by incorporating more exfoliation into your skincare routine. Regular exfoliation will help you maintain healthy, nourished, and hydrated skin all winter long. So the magic of exfoliation is it's removing the dead skin cells so that your skin is more able to absorb and lock in the moisture that it's getting as you exfoliate. By being consistent with exfoliation, you're able to prevent buildup from on the skin and keep your skin healthy and glowing all winter long. A product of ours that I love, especially during the winter months, is our Elevate Exfoliator. And this product is special because it helps to combat winter skin issues. We have the option of raw cane sugar, which I have, or sea salt, and it also has beneficial and nourishing ingredients like aloe vera oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, lemon, tea tree, and vanilla essential oil. What I love about this product is as it's exfoliating your skin, it's also nourishing it and locking in that hydration and moisture that your skin needs during this winter. And personally, I keep it in rotation for my winter skincare routine. So to use it, what happens as it sits is it'll have the oil, the lighter ingredients rise to the top, so you don't have to do a little stirring, nothing crazy. So we're gonna dampen the skin with some warm water, and then I'm gonna get some of the scrub. Make sure to get it on every area of the skin that I'm applying it to. A little ASMR for y'all. Just rub it in. You count to 30. Do it for a minute, however long, to your liking. And then you're gonna rinse it off again. You don't have to use a sponge. Run your hands underwater or apply it in the shower and then rinse it off. And then you're gonna get a towel and pat your part of your skin that you applied this on. I don't know how visible it is with the shine on my skin afterwards, but it's super soft, smooth, amazing. So for best results, you're gonna want to use the exfoliator 2 to 3 times a week. I will also suggest to pair this with your routine of using a moisturizer, which should be used daily, especially after showering. As you start this routine and you're consistent with it, you'll start to notice your skin feels more hydrated and smoother, and you'll feel more equipped and ready to combat dryness as winter approaches. So my challenge to you for this episode is to incorporate exfoliation into your daily skincare routine for at least 2 weeks, and let me know what your results are in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about our product, Elevate Exfoliator, and how it can support you during this winter season, drop the word Elevate in the comments. As always, if you want to know more, you have any questions, comments, anything you want to share, also drop that in the comments below. And share this with someone who needs this information. Much love. If